This is Brian Putt. Some time ago, long time ago, I posted a video about the birthday problem, which is a pretty classic problem with where there's 30 people in a classroom and you're asking how many people share a birthday. Okay. I put that together and it looked pretty good. But then I saw a question raised about what was the distribution if there are 365 people in the classroom. So I started working on that. And I ended up working the 30-day problem again and came up with a different answer. And it differed from the Khan Academy solution. You can look that up on Khan Academy. If you're not familiar with Khan, Khan Academy, you might want to do that. And so I worked on that and I got puzzled for about 2 days and finally I figured it out. There are really two frames for the problem. The second frame is, what is the chance that another person in the room has my birthday, as opposed to saying I got 30 people in the classroom and any two of them could have a match. And then there was another follow-on question around, once again, if there's 365 people. So let's look at my solution. Happy to have you disagree and provide some different answers that and describe why you think they're different, perhaps in the frame. So let's talk about the basic problem. What is the chance that in a classroom of 30, at least two people share the same birthday? And so typically what they do is they just talk about what's the chance of no matches, and then they do one minus that to get the probability that one or more chances. But what I've done here is actually done the Monte Carlo and showed you the full distribution for no matches, which would be about 28%. And then two people sharing would be about 41, and three people sharing would be 22. Okay. Anyway, or two or more. I guess maybe this is two or more matches. Anyway, you see the distribution here two ways. Okay, so now let's look at the other problem, which is what is the chance that another person in the room has my birthday in a class of 30? That's a different answer. Actually, the chance is quite small. Only an 8% chance that someone's have the same birthday as mine. And two people, really, really low. Okay. So that's what that looks like. But then we have the other question of what if there's 365 people in the room? Well, wait a minute. In theory, I could have each one of those 365 people have a different birthday, and every date of the year would be covered. And what we find is that 63% of the people would not have any matches at all. And that distribution is actually quite small, strangely enough. And 26% of them would have at least one match. Think of this as a brain teaser to keep your mind working. Thank you for watching.